it's green time. And green time warm-up today is clapping word syllables. So remember, a syllable is each part of the word. I'm gonna show you guys a picture. What is this? A cow. Can you clap the word cow? Cow. How many claps? One. All right, we're gonna do one more. What is this? Yeah, it's a baby pig or a piglet. Can you guys clap piglet? Piglet. How many syllables? That's right, 2. Can you clap your name? How many syllables is your name? I need Mr. Lion for this next part. Can you guys call him? Mr. Lion.
Hi friends, hi.
Hey, Mr. Lion.
Hey, Miss Indyca.
Today, Mr. Lion, I am going to ask you to say a word.
Oh, okay.
Friends, listen to Mr. Lion and see if he's saying the whole word or if he's forgetting part of the word. Mr. Lion, can you say way?
A.
Mr. Lion is still forgetting the beginning sounds of his words today. What sound did Mr. Lion forget? Mr. Lion, can you say way?
A.
Did you guys hear Mr. Lion forgot the what sound? Mr. Lion, can you say J?
A.
What sound did Mr. Lion forget? J. Mr. Lion, can you say ray?
A.
Did you guys hear what sound he forgot? All right, last one. Mr. Lion, can you say K?
A.
What sound did he forget? Yeah. Mr. Lion, thank you.
You're welcome, Miss Indyca.
Can you guys tell him bye? Bye. We have a new finger play today called This Little Calf. Do you guys know what a calf is? This is a cow. And a baby cow is called a calf. For this finger play, you're gonna hold up all 5 fingers. This little calf eats grass. This little calf eats hay. This little calf drinks water. This little calf runs away. This little calf does nothing at all, but just lies down all day. Can you guys tuck your thumb under and lay him down? Sleepy little calf. Today we get to learn a new letter. It's always a great day to learn a new letter. The letter that we're gonna learn today is J. What's on the back of this card? What is she doing? Jump roping. Have you guys ever jump roped? J has a song that goes along with it. So stand up, grab onto an imaginary rope, and we're gonna pretend like we're jumping. This is the way the little girl jumps, the little girl jumps, the little girl jumps. This is the way the little girl jumps, ja, 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 ja. J says ja. When you guys look at the capital J, do you see that it has a straight line and a hook? We are going to build the J today. So to build the J, we need a straight line and a little curve. Sometimes you might see a letter J that has a small line across the top. Can you guys trace this letter J? Where do you start your letters? At the? Yep, we start at the top. So get your finger and we're gonna trace the letter J. Today we're gonna need this pre-decodable book called The Farm. You guys open it to the first page. We're gonna read it together. The farmer. Turn the page. What do you guys see on this page? He's on a tractor working. The farmer is at the farm. Have you guys ever been to a farm? Turn the page. What do you see the farmer doing here? He's carrying a bucket. What do you think is in that bucket? Let's read. The horse is at the barn. Let's turn the page. The last sentence. The farm. Can you guys read this book all by yourselves? You may also color the book. Circle your favorite things in it and save it. You can read this book all by yourself.